Today in front of me I have INFINIX Hot 11s smartphone, and in this video we are going to demonstrate how you can enable the separate number row at the top part of your keyboard on this device. So first of all, let's launch the keyboard. From here you want to either tap on this gear or cog icon, or you can also enter the settings, go for the system category that is located at the very bottom, then languages and input, on-screen keyboard, Gboard. At the Gboard settings page, open up the preferences category and turn on the number row toggle. And as you will see now, that will essentially mean that you have successfully activated the separate number line on top of the characters at the keyboard of this device. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.